Welcome back to Stock Market Scout, where myself, a corporate financial analyst, highlights different ways that could help you process data and analyze data further in your research. Here we're going to be looking at grabbing our financial statements for a specific ticker symbol. And with that, we are going to be calculating the growth rate of our total revenue and net income with that. So here we are going to be, like I said, we're going to be calculating the growth rate. We're going to be defining it using the current and the previous. This is going to be our return, so a simple percent calculation here in terms of the growth rate. Here we're going to be describing how we're going to get the financial statements. We are going to show the financial statements given the specific ticker that we're going to be inputting, and then we are going to be retrieving it on a quarterly basis. And here we're going to be looking at, in terms of the growth rate, going back 3 quarters to the most current quarter. We're going to display that data below, right underneath all of the financial statements, and then we are going to get a nice little growth rate in terms of total revenue and net income. And this is another way that you can leverage in terms of your time and how long it really takes for you to figure out what you're really looking for. So even though this is small, you can expand upon this even more, and then we will do that in further videos where we'll start to look at different other financial statement accounts and discounted cash flow models and start getting that data. So here in the input ticker symbol, we're just going to use Apple as an example, APPL. We're going to scroll down here, and we are going to see that here are financial statements, and then we have it in a quarterly time frame. Same thing with our income statement, as well as our cash flow statement. And then underneath these tables, we are going to see our calculations for our total revenue growth rate and our net income growth rate going back 3 quarters to current. Again, this is just another quick tool and script that you can leverage in Google Colab Notebook to kind of really just speed up the process and the time it takes for you to research an investment and to see if it's a good opportunity. Other than that, have a great one.